Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of plants that can help you get that luscious hair you've always dreamed of. First up, we've got the queen of soothing burns and also, surprisingly, hair growth, aloe vera. Aloe vera is packed with enzymes that work their magic on your scalp, repairing those pesky dead skin cells that can clog up hair follicles and hinder growth. Now, how do you actually use this green goodness, you ask? Just grab yourself a plump aloe vera leaf, slice it open, and scoop out the glorious gel inside. Once you've got your handful of aloe vera gel, gently massage it into your scalp like you're giving your head a much needed spa treatment. Let that aloe vera goodness soak in for about 30 minutes. After your scalp has had its fill of aloe vera love, rinse it off with lukewarm water. And voila, you've just given your hair a natural boost towards lusciousness. Next up, we've got an herb that's not just for spicing up your meals anymore. This versatile plant has been a staple in kitchens for centuries. But did you know it has some amazing benefits for your hair too? Get ready for rosemary, the circulation champion of the hair growth world. This aromatic herb is not only a culinary delight, but also a powerhouse when it comes to promoting healthy hair. Rosemary is like a little green cheerleader for your scalp, boosting blood flow and making sure those hair follicles are getting all the nutrients they need to thrive. Imagine it as a personal trainer for your hair, encouraging growth and strength. Now, let's talk about how to turn this fragrant herb into a hair growth potion. It's easier than you might think and can be done with just a few simple steps. Grab a handful of fresh rosemary leaves, or about 2 tablespoons if you're using the dried kind, and toss them into a pot of water. Fresh rosemary is often preferred for its potent oils, but dried rosemary works just as well. Bring that water to a boil, letting the rosemary release its aromatic goodness into the steam. The heat helps to extract the essential oils and nutrients from the leaves, creating a powerful infusion. Once the water has had a good boil, turn off the heat and let it cool down to a comfortable temperature. This cooling period is crucial as it allows the infusion to become more concentrated. After your rosemary rinse has cooled, strain out the leaves and transfer the liquid into a bottle or container that's easy to pour. You can use a fine mesh strainer or even a cheesecloth to ensure no leaves get into your final rinse. Slowly pour the rosemary rinse over your hair, making sure to really massage it into your scalp. This massage not only helps distribute the rinse evenly, but also stimulates your scalp, enhancing the benefits of the rosemary. For best results, let the rinse sit in your hair for a few minutes before rinsing it out with cool water. This will help seal the hair cuticles and lock in the nutrients. Incorporate this rosemary rinse into your hair care routine once or twice a week, and you'll start to notice your hair looking shinier, healthier, and more vibrant. It's a natural, cost-effective way to give your hair the boost it needs. So next time you're in the garden or at the grocery store, don't just think of rosemary as a seasoning. Remember its incredible benefits for your hair and give this simple homemade treatment a try. Your scalp and hair will thank you. Hold on to your hats, folks, because we're about to get minty fresh up in here. That's right, we're talking about peppermint oil, the ultimate scalp stimulator. Peppermint oil works its magic by creating a cooling sensation on your scalp, which in turn increases blood flow to the area. Now, before you go dousing your head in straight peppermint oil, hold on a sec. We gotta dilute this stuff first. Grab your favorite carrier oil, coconut oil, jojoba oil, even olive oil will do the trick, and pour a tablespoon or 2 into a small bowl. Then add in a few drops of peppermint oil. Mix those oils together and then it's time to apply. Dip your fingers into the oil mixture and gently massage it into your scalp. Once your entire scalp is coated in this minty goodness, let it sit for about 20 minutes. After your scalp has had its minty fresh treatment, hop in the shower and wash your hair as usual. Get ready to say aloha to luscious locks, because we're about to dive into the tropical paradise of hibiscus for hair growth. Hibiscus, with its vibrant and exotic blooms, is not just a feast for the eyes, but a treasure trove of benefits for your hair. Imagine stepping into a world where your hair is as strong and beautiful as these stunning flowers. These vibrant flowers aren't just pretty to look at, they're packed with vitamins and antioxidants that can work wonders for your hair. Hibiscus is rich in vitamin C, which boosts collagen production, strengthening the hair. It also contains amino acids that nourish the hair, ensuring it remains healthy and vibrant. Hibiscus is especially amazing at preventing hair loss and promoting growth. The natural properties of hibiscus help to stimulate hair follicles, encouraging new growth and reducing hair fall. It's like having a personal hair growth assistant right from nature. It's like a bodyguard for your hair follicles, protecting them from damage and giving them the strength to flourish. The antioxidants in hibiscus fight off free radicals, which can cause hair damage and aging. This means your hair stays youthful and strong for longer. So, if you're struggling with thinning hair or just want to give your locks an extra boost, hibiscus is your new best friend. Regular use of hibiscus can lead to thicker, fuller hair that shines with health. It's a natural solution that has been trusted for centuries in various cultures around the world. Now, let's talk about how to turn these gorgeous flowers into a hair growth mask. This DIY hibiscus hair mask is simple to make and incredibly effective. Plus, it's a fun way to incorporate a bit of tropical flair into your hair care routine. You can use either fresh or dried hibiscus flowers for this recipe. Fresh flowers are great if you have access to them, but dried flowers work just as well and are often easier to find. If you're using fresh hibiscus flowers, start by plucking off the petals and discarding the rest of the flower. The petals are where all the magic happens, so make sure to gather enough for your mask. You'll need about a cup of petals for this recipe. This amount ensures you have enough to cover your entire scalp and hair. If you're using dried hibiscus flowers, you can skip the plucking and just measure out about half a cup. Dried flowers are more concentrated, so you need less to achieve the same effect. Once you've got your hibiscus petals ready to go, toss them into a blender or food processor along with a few tablespoons of water. The water helps to blend the petals into a smooth paste. Blend that mixture up until it forms a smooth paste. The consistency should be thick enough to stay on your scalp without dripping, but smooth enough to spread easily. Now, it's time to apply this hibiscus hair mask to your scalp. Make sure your hair is clean and slightly damp before you start. This helps the mask to penetrate better. Section your hair and apply the paste to your scalp, making sure to really massage it in. Massaging helps to stimulate blood flow to the scalp, which can further promote hair growth. Once your entire scalp is coated in the hibiscus mask, put on a shower cap and let it sit for about an hour. This gives the mask plenty of time to work its magic. After an hour of hibiscus bliss, hop in the shower and rinse out the mask with lukewarm water. Lukewarm water helps to remove the mask without stripping your hair of its natural oils. You may need to shampoo twice to get all the paste out, but it's totally worth it for the hair growth benefits. Follow up with your regular conditioner to keep your hair soft and manageable. Once your hair is clean, gently towel dry it and style as usual. You'll notice that your hair feels softer and looks shinier right away. With regular use, you'll start to see significant improvements in hair growth and thickness. So, there you have it. A simple, natural way to boost your hair growth using the power of hibiscus. Embrace the beauty of these tropical flowers and let them transform your hair into a luscious, vibrant mane. Happy hair growing. Get ready for the final plant-tasting hair growth hero of the day, ginseng. This ancient root has been revered for its medicinal properties for thousands of years, and it's not just for making a soothing cup of tea. Ginseng is a versatile herb that has found its way into various aspects of health and wellness, including hair care. This powerful root has been used for centuries in traditional medicine, and for good reason. Ancient healers from China to Korea have harnessed the benefits of ginseng to treat a myriad of ailments, from boosting energy levels to enhancing cognitive function. But one of its lesser-known superpowers is its ability to promote hair growth. Ginseng is a powerhouse when it comes to hair growth because it boosts the dermal cells on your scalp. These cells are crucial for maintaining a healthy scalp environment, which is the foundation for strong and vibrant hair. By stimulating these cells, ginseng helps to create the optimal conditions for hair to grow. These cells are responsible for, you guessed it, hair growth. When your dermal cells are functioning at their best, they can support the hair follicles more effectively, leading to improved hair density and strength. It's like giving your scalp a rejuvenating spa treatment that revitalizes your hair from the roots. So, by giving them a little ginseng love, you're essentially giving your hair follicles a VIP ticket to Grow Town. Imagine your hair follicles as tiny engines that need the right fuel to run efficiently. Ginseng provides that fuel, ensuring that your hair grows thicker, longer, and healthier. Now, you've got a couple of options when it comes to incorporating ginseng into your hair care routine. Whether you prefer topical treatments or dietary supplements, ginseng can fit seamlessly into your daily regimen. The key is to find the method that works best for you and stick with it consistently. You can either use ginseng oil topically or take ginseng supplements internally. Each method has its own set of benefits, and you might even find that a combination of both gives you the best results. The topical application targets the scalp directly, while supplements work from within to nourish your body and hair. If you're going the topical route, look for a hair oil that contains ginseng extract. These oils are specially formulated to deliver the active compounds of ginseng directly to your scalp, where they can be most effective. Make sure to choose a high-quality product to maximize the benefits. You can apply this oil directly to your scalp, massaging it in with your fingertips. This not only helps to distribute the oil evenly, but also stimulates blood circulation, which can further enhance hair growth. Take a few minutes to really work the oil into your scalp, enjoying the relaxing and therapeutic process. For an extra boost, you can even leave the oil on overnight as a hair treatment. Simply wrap your hair in a soft towel or use a shower cap to keep the oil from transferring to your pillow. When you wake up, wash your hair as usual, and you'll notice how soft and nourished it feels. If you'd rather go the internal route, ginseng supplements are widely available online and in health food stores. These supplements come in various forms, including capsules, powders, and even teas. Adding ginseng to your diet can provide a holistic approach to hair care, supporting your overall health and well-being. No matter which way you choose to incorporate ginseng into your life, your hair will thank you for it. With regular use, you'll start to see improvements in hair texture, strength, and growth. So why not give ginseng a try and unlock the full potential of your hair? Your journey to luscious locks starts now. And there you have it, folks. 5 incredible plants that can help you achieve the hair of your dreams. From aloe vera's soothing scalp magic to ginseng's root boosting power, these natural ingredients are ready to transform your hair care routine. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks. See you next time.